welcome back. We are here at Halloween Horror Nights for the very first night, the opening night. We are currently in an early access zone right now, waiting to be let in. We've got about an hour, but they handed us a map, so I wanted to review that quickly with you guys and also give you kind of updates on how the first night has been so far. I'm doing a separate video on what early access is like and if it's worth it. So that'll be coming after this, so stay tuned for that. But there were a ton of people already in line for Stranger Things and also for the Exorcist house. They're all waiting outside, I think, in the rain right now for those houses. So they're not only utilizing the restaurants to kind of sit down and wait in between for that 1 hour, but they're also utilizing the queue for some of the more popular houses. In this video, we're not going to be going into any of the houses. I obviously can't even film in there, and I'll be giving you my thoughts on the houses later on. But today we're going to be walking around getting really cool B-roll shots. Hopefully it stops raining. We're going to be trying some snacks, walking around, just seeing what the scare zones are like. So I wanted to show you the map that they handed us. So here's the map right now. Halloween Horror Nights, Never Go Alone, September 1st through the 4th. Why is my hand shaking so much? I think I'm nervous because I'm by myself and there's people staring, but it's okay, it's okay. These are their most popular and anticipated houses: The Exorcist, Stranger Things, and The Last of Us. So I'm just gonna really quickly show you where all the houses are. I did a whole video on where the houses are gonna be when I walked around to do updates, but I'm just going to do a really quick boom, 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 boom. So the park entrance is here. Blood Moon Dark Offerings is right here. The Exorcist is gonna be right here where that concert area is with the green grass and stuff. Stranger Things is gonna be here. Dueling Dragons and the Yeti Campground Kills are gonna be right here. Chucky is gonna be right here near Fast and Furious, which is where we are right now. That Fast and Furious actually is where Chucky is. Now we're gonna scooch all the way over here. This is where Men in Black is. This is where the concert show is. So right here, G is gonna be Oddfellows Twisted Origins. This is where Men in Black, the corner of between the Coca-Cola store and Men in Black. H is The Darkest Deal and also The Last of Us house. And then J, which is kind of in this Toontown-ish area, is going to be Unmasked. Monsters Unmasked. Okay, update. It's 6:33. I've waited here for over an hour and a half. Almost 2 hours I've been sitting here now. Basically, it's been raining this whole time and I'm terrified. I don't want to go outside, but I know we have to. I just don't have an umbrella. I only have a poncho. Maybe I'll see if the store has an umbrella I can purchase. I don't know if the scare actors are going to be out because it's raining and I think there's lightning still. Okay, I bought an umbrella because this will be a lot easier, I think. So I'm going to do a little walk around, see what's out and about, see if there's any scare actors out. I don't think there are any right now. There's a lot of smoke. I think because it's raining, all the scare actors are hidden right now. Hopefully it stops raining sometime soon. That would be nice. But let's go look around the scare zones in the meantime and then maybe grab snacks afterwards. Yeah, no scare actors out right now. As I had mentioned in the update vlogs, there really isn't any food stuff on this bridge, whereas last year it was so crowded here. We're gonna keep walking this way, see what else there is. And it's really actually super dead here right now. Everyone's probably at the front of the park. So Dr. Oddfellows Twisted Origins is a 10-minute wait right now. People are filing in, but it's such a short wait. So it looks like The Darkest Deal is only a 10-minute wait, which is to the left of the Last of Us house. And The Last of Us is 45 minutes. All right, we're now heading through the jungle one to get kind of toward the front of the park. But yeah, there's no scare actors out right now. They've got this thing tied up. The fog is really cool though. I like it. Okay, we can either go left and kind of circle and then go to the right, or we can go straight to the right and try some foods. Okay, I think we should go left and just make one giant circle and then kind of follow up. You know what I mean? There's Mel's dying. Now we're heading through the Zodiac scare zone. Again, I don't really see any scare actors right now. Hopefully when it stops raining, which it should maybe in the next hour or so, it'll be a lot better. But it is really cool how foggy it is during the daytime. I'm just gonna continuously walk through all the scare zones just get my steps in because this is really fun. And I love this, like, the centerpiece. Ready? Whee! That looks awesome. And there's a really cool looking prop. And then they've got this stage. This music is definitely copyright. Blood Moon Dark Offerings is also 10 minutes. All right, currently The Exorcist is 30 minutes. And we've come to what I like to call Food Alley, where all the foods and snacks and stuff, a lot of them are here. We're stopping by Avenue Bites, which is right across from the Mummy, and I want to try the Mummy Cheesecake Pop. Okay, it's kind of loud here. The first thing I got was the Mummy Cheesecake Pop. It looks good. I think it's like Oreo as well. It's got like little eyes. And we're right in front of the Vamp 69 Scare Zone, so that's why it's kind of loud here. Oh, it feels like it's like ice cream. It looks like Oreo. I don't know. This is what it looks like. It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. It's super sweet. It's got like this like white chocolate coat over the whole thing. I would get this again if I was craving something super sweet. But I think I like the red velvet ice cream cake pop from last year a little bit better because it just wasn't as sweet. It looks like the scare actors came out and also kind of stopped raining. So let's go through the scare zones once again. I gotta say, like the little 60s music, it really gives it a fun little vibe. Everyone's dancing. I love it. So the Chucky food stand is right there with the popcorn chicken, but I think I'm not like super hungry now anymore. That cheesecake really filled me up. So I think we're gonna do a lap around and see like all the scare zones in the daytime and then come back around and obviously we'll see them again at night. We're now heading into the Shipyard Scare Zone. Little creepy. I wonder if anyone's gonna like pop out of here. Oh, there's something going on. That was really fun. I don't think there are any other scare zones back here. I think that was it. So now we're just gonna do a quick little wraparound and go kind of toward like the front and then get like the front entrance scare zone, if that makes sense. It also looks cool with like the fog over the lake right here. Doesn't that look awesome? It's so eerie. All right, it's 7:30-ish, and now I'm starting to see longer lines, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, things like that. So probably by around 7:30, if the lines start getting longer. So if you can just get here, you could probably knock out like 4 houses if you get here earlier. I also don't know how much the rain did, and I also don't know if it's usually dead or busy on opening nights. I assume it's busier. The not as exciting houses are starting to go up in wait time now. By 7:30, start counting that it's gonna start getting longer and longer. Okay, I see where they're popping out of. I see it. It's good, it's good, it's good. I see, oh, it's a parrot thing. I see. Interest, oh. I kind of like it. Hey, cool, my dude.
You're so stylish. You're gorgeous. Hi. You're so cute.
The girls behind me are like trying to cope and not get scared. It's also drizzling and I can't decide whether I want to take my umbrella out or not. I think if it gets worse, I'll take it out. But I think for now we'll just like deal with it for how it is. Oh, it's so foggy. I can't see anything. Oh my god, okay, I'm so excited. I hear chainsaws. Oh my goodness. Wow, I can literally can't see anything. You guys, I didn't even flinch. I did so good. It's like lit up now and stuff. Oh, he's so cool looking. I'm scared. I hear a chainsaw person, but I couldn't see them. I'm literally having the best time by myself. Don't ever feel like you can't come if no one else in your group wants to come. Just come by yourself. This is a great time. I'm doing exactly what I want to be doing. I'm having a great time with the scare actors. This is amazing. It's starting to rain more, so I'm going to grab the umbrella, and I think I'm going to head over to the Chucky area and grab some food. That was it. That was all the scare zones. I feel like there's less than last year. I could be wrong, but I feel like we just zoomed through that so quickly. There's also still a ton of people now coming in, so it's just gonna get busier, I think. But we're gonna get some snacks, wait till it gets dark, and then do another walk around and grab the umbrella because it's really starting to rain a bit. All right, Stranger Things is officially at a 75-minute wait, and it's 7:30. I don't even want to know what Last of Us is, but 75 is honestly not too bad. The weekend in October was like 200 minutes or something like that. It's crazy. A great tip, by the way, if you don't want to be scared by the scare people and the scare actors, just walk on the sidewalk. There are team members here, and the scare actors are not allowed to get on the sidewalks. If you're scared, just walk on the sidewalks and you won't be scared by them. Okay, well, someone super nice just pointed out there's a rainbow in the sky. And this is the current line for Chucky. So the line looks long, but it says only 35-minute wait. But it goes all the way back there. We're currently in line for some popcorn chicken. Okay, here is the Chucky's fried popcorn chicken. That's what it looks like. It's got popcorn chicken and Nashville hot honey, chives, and chili strings. It sounds very spicy. So I got myself a water as well. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm excited for this popcorn chicken. This is my dinner. We call this girl dinner. Have you heard that? It's like a viral video or something. This is what it looks like. Watch this be super spicy. You know what? 1 second. Aside from that being spicy, it doesn't taste very good. Dang, I was really looking forward to this one, I'm not gonna lie. And I didn't even have the pepper, like the little chili string. I think it's like the flavor of the actual sauce or something. It just tastes a little, I don't know. You know when something is like a hot sauce and it's hot, but it doesn't have a good flavor? This is what that's like. Obviously you should try this for yourself, but maybe this one, here, let me, does that look better? Okay. Sorry, I was overexposed. Alrighty, first up is going to be Fisherman's Pier. Let's go! Oh, I think someone's in the box now. I almost forgot. There's Death Eaters. There's Death Eaters. We have to go look at them. I was like about to just skip it completely because last year they didn't have any. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Let's go see if we can find the Death Eaters. Maybe over here? I could be mistaken, but I don't see any Death Eaters here. Maybe they come out only at certain times or because it's really wet in here. Like, look at how wet the floor is. Maybe they won't be coming out. Well, we can stop by again later. Maybe they'll be out later. The floor looks so cool. And with the projections on Men in Black, it says Halloween Horror Nights 32. little like stars flying. It looks so cool here. I do think I prefer it in this area dead because it was pretty crowded with the food when it was here. Sorry, I'm like so stuck on that. Also, just an update on wait times. I did look at them while we were eating, and they're definitely up very high, 65, 75 minutes. I think I saw an 85-minute one, and it is 8:20. Lines are way longer now, but again, I also think it's because it's opening night. I know a lot of people try to come for opening night. This weekend, I think in total will be busy, and then next weekend, I think will be a lot better time to come. Someone in my comments actually previously had asked me if they can bring their kids, and I have definitely seen kids maybe around like 10 to 15 here. But that's more up to you if you want to bring them. I've seen children in strollers here. Whether you want them to be exposed to this kind of environment, it's very loud. A lot of strobing lights, a lot of blood, gore. A lot of people are like dressed up more, I don't know, a little more explicit, if that makes sense. So it's up to you whether you want to bring your kids or not. It's just not recommended. All the scare zones at night. I think they look so cool. I don't know if I'm probably gonna include some really cool B-roll in here, but I think majority of it will be in another video, so stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna end this video right now. I'll just see you in a second. Dr. Oddfellow is out. He's out at the Zodiac scare zone, or like kind of like in between the Zodiac scare zone and the entrance, and he talks. He's so cool. I'll insert the clip of me interacting with him. I was filming it vertical because I wanted to get his full outfit, so I'm just gonna put that in right now.
Is that a dead raccoon on your camera?
It is.
Things of the mortal.
It's also 9:18 and The Exorcist is down to 35 minutes. So that one had a super long line before. So it's not too bad right now. But I will say that I think Stranger Things was like 85. Just kidding, Stranger Things is at 115. So I've gone through the Harry Potter area like 3 times now, and I've not seen Dementors once. Now, I don't know if like I'm just super unlucky and every time I go is like when they've gone back in, but I have not seen them. Not sure if they're just like not out today. We'll see. I'll be back so many times, so if I do see them, I'll obviously show you guys. But I have not seen them at all. We're gonna head back toward the front, and then I think we're gonna call it a night. I need to go home and edit this whole entire vlog so it can be up tomorrow morning so you guys can all see. So let's head back toward the front and then go home. Also, be careful as you're walking on this wooded part if it's wet. I almost just slipped and fell to my death, so just be careful. And we are out of here and off to now relive it all over again. I'm so excited to edit this video, honestly. I think my favorite scare zones have to be probably either Vamp 69 or Zodiac. Those two are my favorite scare zones. We did not do any houses today, so when I come back, I will be rating all of my houses as I do them throughout the season. Alrighty, y'all, so that's it for today. We'll be back so many more times this season. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all. Have a wonderful week and a magical month, and I'll see y'all in the next one.